What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and right now I'm going to do Under Armour Curry 9 Street Pack Elmo. So let's find out where is the different. As you can see here, just like another colorways, just like the other colorways, you can see the direction of the Curry logo is different. Also this one is not connect, upper and the midsole and the outsole here is not connect. This one is also the orange lace hole is slightly to the left. This one also still same, always like this, not connect. This one is slightly to the left. The direction of the Curry logo is more slanted. This one also still same, always like this. Take a look at the other side of the shoes. This one you can see here is placed right in the middle, the lace hole, in the middle of the four vertical line here. But this one is slightly to the right. You can see here it's not placed right in the middle. It should be like this. It should be here and here, but this one is too much to the right. Another sample, still same, too much to the right. Moving to the back of the shoes, you can see the stitching here goes all the way down to the outsole. You can see here there is a gap here between the stitching and the outsole Take a closer look, still same here. It's too close with the outsole. And the outsole here, the Under Armour logo is slightly go down compared to the authentic. Also the sign here, the Courier sign, slightly go down. Then the authentic here is placed right in the middle. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any questions, just write it down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can make another video for you guys. Thank you very much, and I hope you get a better day.